Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega muthekania wi gatũ na ngumo nene tata wa mathu MMG Naomi na nginyagia nyina wa ngotho o ringi ni acokereria gwa Kameme FM njorua ya kothi kurwakorwo akinyitanira for the second time na muthoni wa Kiruba. Similar to her first interview last week, Auntie ni akorwo akiiturura once again. Auntie Jemima ni akorwo agethekia amemereke nginyagia agitiga muthoni wa Kiruba aking'auka na mitheko akiheana rugano rwa muturire wake makiria ndeto atakiri eiturura nacio. Agethekia muthoni wa Kiruba tata Jemima akorwo akiuga atike apart from thina na nginyagia ng'aragu etigirite kihiko muno na akorwo agitheria maundu akiuga na miaka iria akiri nayo we ndari ahikio kana kuhikira mundu no atheria hau akiuga ati ni wega auge hari na mundu akorirwo agikenio niwe na karangi gake ka wiru na agikorwo hamwe makinyitanira niguo magithondeke kana thutha wa kana karia agikorirwo akilose for her first pregnancy. Akiaria undu ucio ni akorwo agithekia andu muno akiuga the particular guy ni akorirwo akimutirira muno during her most difficult time na koguo akiona ni wega akorwo akimuthondeka na njira ya toro.
Muthoni, if there's something I fear in life apart from ng'aragu na thina ni kihiko.
Oi
guy, I don't know. Nidikionagira nikiokiria. I don't did it ready. I am not ready.
No amwera.
One person your whole life. In the house. They got the body wewe. Don't think like that. Sanitize. Boy. Dikio no kon de kinya hau.
Kotara thikiriria mataro ma Goat Wives.
Make. Goat, I will buy myself one. I become my goat myself at home. But I'm also honest. Alia ginyete maisaine re juga kava honesty. Samuel ni for true all that wajanirie. Ni marriage apana. For now the Kenya be concentrate na kwamba kwitho.
Career woman.
Oko ni mwana twabe tugie turere na niwetekira ni etekira. This is something we discuss.